Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to bead this gorgeous and cool summer earrings. So the material you will be need to bead these earrings are the earring hooks and 11 or seed beads of your choice. Let's crack on with beading the earrings. Here I have picked up my earring hook and 4 gold seed beads. I will tie a secure knot. Okay, so I have tightened a secure knot and now I'm cutting the excess thread from the tail part, and I'm coming out of this seed bead over here, as you can see. So I have picked up 5 gold seed beads and 7 of my color A, and now I'm passing my needle back up through the first color A, and that will create our loop like this. Next you have to pick up color C, and I will be passing my needle through this direction over here like so. I hope you can see it clearly. I'm coming out of this bead over here, the seed bead, and I'm passing my needle on this side of the third, from the bottom third seed beads. I'm pulling my thread up and that's how we have formed our first daisy. Now I have picked up 3 gold seed beads and I will pass my needle back through the all 5 gold beads. Like so. Pull your thread nice and tight. For the next set of daisy, I have picked up 5 gold seed beads and 7 of my color A. I will pass it down all the way, and then again I will go back up through the first color A of the next set. You see, I will pick up the color C11O and I will pass my needle through this bead over here, through this 11O over here. Pull your thread nice and tight. For the next step, I have picked up 3 11Os. I will pass my needle up through the 6 gold seed bead like so. Pull your thread nice and tight. For the next part, here I have picked up 5 gold 11Os and 7 of my color B 11Os. I will insert my needle through the first color B of the 11O like this. Okay, pick up your color C and I will insert my needle through this 11O over here. Next I have picked up 3 11O seed beads. I'm passing my needle back up through the 6 gold seed bead. As you can see here, I'm pulling my thread nice and tight, and here for the next part I have picked up 5 11O seed beads and 7 of my color B seed beads. Inserting my needle back up through the first color B 11O like this. I have picked up my color C and I'm inserting my needle through this bead over here, through this 11O over here, and I have picked up 3 gold 11Os, and I will go back up through the 6 gold 11Os like so. And here I'm finishing my earrings. So for that I have picked up 2 gold 11Os and I'm passing my needle through this my color B over here. I will make my first securing knot over here like this, and like this I will go back to the couple of 11 O's, and I'll make a secure knot for this earring, and I'll cut the excess thread. Here we have our finished earrings. This has turned out so cute and so beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial with me. See you in my next video.